Step 1. Vehicle off and cool. Step 2. Apply a thin layer of silicone lubricant onto the O-rings on the supplied fittings. Then install them onto the PPE thermal bypass valve. Step 3. Remove the 2 bolts securing the heat shield onto the factory thermostat, then remove the heat shield and set it aside. Step 4. While the factory thermostat is still installed, loosen the hose clamps and move them down the hoses. Step 5. Unbolt the factory thermostat, disconnect the hoses, and set it aside. Step 6. Apply a thin coat of silicone lubricant to the O-ring on the supplied drain plug and install the plug onto the PPE bypass. Step 7. Apply silicone lubricant to the supplied face seal O-rings and insert them into the grooves on the PPE bypass. Step 8. Clean any spilled transmission fluid off of the mating surface on the transmission, then install the PPE bypass. Step 9. Dry the ends of the hoses with a rag, then install them onto the PPE bypass fittings and move the clamps back up. Step 10. Install the heat shield onto the PPE bypass using the factory bolts. Installation complete.